Welcome back to A People's Guide to Publishing. I'm Joe Beal, the founder and CEO of Microcosm Publishing and Distribution. I'm also the author of A People's Guide to Publishing, which distills what I've learned from selling millions of books over the past 25 years.
I'm Ellie Blue. I'm the editorial and marketing director here at Microcosm. We are an independent mid-list publisher based in Portland, Oregon. We have 14 employees, over 650 titles in print with 20 to 40 new books per year, and we distribute thousands of titles from other publishers.
We started this podcast so that we can share what we've learned with newer publishers so that you can learn from our mistakes.
Or perhaps you just want to better understand the publishing industry. Welcome to the Microcosm offices.
This week, we are going to offer you the grandest tour of ourselves, our own building.
Come into our warehouse. After you. It was once our bookstore, became our open warehouse, and as you can see, we have a lot of books here to delight you with. All of our books are in alphabetical order by title. It works for us, don't judge. As you can see, we're having a little bit of a shortage of shelving space this week. Soon to be resolved. Please order some very large books. This is where Sarah normally sits. If you were to come into our store in a pre- or post-pandemic utopia, this friendly person would check you out. So the fire marshal did visit our building and did not complain about the piles of books on the stairs. True story.
We're in the clear. Though our construction person jokes that we need shelves built on our stairs.
Our upstairs office, often very lowly populated these days, but this is where all of the non-photogenic work of sitting in front of a computer happens.
This is editorial, marketing, publicity, and production. Is across these 6 desks.
This is where new zines sit waiting to be photographed, like the soon-to-be classic Queer Werewolves Destroy Capitalism.
Dun, dun, dun. Sorry, capitalism / not sorry.
And the 80s and 90s classic, There's Something About a Train. That's a big zine.
If you need a staple, those are right here.
Or a catalog. We have boxes of them.
A few.
This is one of our 3 reshelving carts. As you can see, Allie Broch's new book just came in. This is very exciting. Some other books just came in too. People, especially in 2020, but really before then too, have been buying a lot of tarot decks. Not all lives here on this island, Tarot Island. And then here's our downstairs shipping office. Or this is one of our downstairs shipping offices. This is the front shipping office. You can find
Jomo.
more books waiting to be shelved. The shipping computers. More books waiting to be shelved. Books waiting to go out into the world, and of course, a large stash of holiday wrapping paper we found on the curb the other day.
Mm-hmm.
Also, if you need packing peanuts, they all live in here.
This is where customer service and fulfillment occurs.
Oh, and also more book storage.
And if you need a book between ST and SU, or no, I'm sorry, TA.
This is where little buttons live. And this is, so that was all of our distributed books. Our published titles begin here in the pick and pack. This is the receiving from 3 days ago. There was a mountain of it about 5 times this size, and this is all that's left, this island. But then you can find our published titles in alphabetical order if you need a copy of Firebrands, or all the way over here, Biconomics. And of course, the wall of Dr. Faith.
Faith wall. Not coming down anytime soon.
Some of our shelves are fancy metal ones we buy from the store. Others of them are fancy wooden ones that Joe makes from stuff we find by the side of the road, like this brand new receiving shelf.
I like to think of our warehouse as Portland's most exclusive art gallery.
These books are not in the best shape. There we go. And then, of course, we have little rooms upon little rooms of boxes of books.
We're going to take a little secret side dash.
What are we going out to the side yard shed?
Mm-hmm. This is the funnest part of the job, where you go out here, and this is where we have shelf storage, table storage, chair storage, air conditioner storage, and through this door, more boxes of books storage.
Here we have a large order in the process of being pulled. Need to finish that today.
Okay.
Here is the back shipping office, where you can find all of our patches, and our zines, and our stickers, and our posters, and more zines, and boxes. Some orders that have been partially pulled. This used to be a piano, so we call it the X piano. Doesn't look like one anymore. We have a little kitchen, and then of course in the bathroom we have more books. Because who doesn't store books in their bathroom, please? That's wasted space.
Any respectable publishing company?
That is a good answer to that question. And then we finally return to the podcasting room, aka the hammock room, when we are not recording our podcast. It is a very good place to string up the hammock and take a nap. As well as store books. Oh, yes, there's more. Sorry, y'all, there's more. I thought we were making a closed loop, but I was wrong. Then down this green corridor, we have what used to be a parking lot and has now been taken over by bicycles and sheds full of books. So in Portland, there's an ordinance that you don't need a building permit to build a building under a certain footprint, and we have 5 of those. There's in fact not room for any more, or else we would probably have more. But there's 3 layers of sheds.
You want to show us what's in there?
Oh yeah, we can go in. First we go through the jungle of hand trucks, mail waiting to go out. Even more mail waiting to go out. And then, check this out, we've got storage for pallets, storage for books, and then even a loft to store even more books. Damn, that's a lot of books. And also all of our event stuff. We're going to do events again one day where we sell books to people in person.
What are events?
It's like a large disease spreading event.
Right, the COVID vector stuff.
Yeah. But when you're spreading COVID, you want... No, that's a terrible joke. I don't want to make that joke.
Joke retracted.
Phew! Sorry, you have to make edits on this one.
I don't know, I think it's funnier to keep joke retracted in there.
Okay. Is there anything else we want to show the world?
No, I hope that.
Alright, well thanks for joining us on this tour of where Microcosm happens.
Thanks for joining us once again.
Please send your questions to podcast@microcosmpublishing.com so we can answer them on future episodes.
And please give us 5 stars on iTunes and everywhere else that podcasts are reviewed.
You can find us on the internet at microcosm.pub.
On Twitter at Microcosm.
On Facebook at Microcosm Publishing.
On Instagram at Microcosm_pub.
And here in Portland, Oregon on North Williams Avenue.
Thank you so much.
Have a wonderful week.